Having something to snack on during the day in between meals is so important and keeps you on track. My low-carb Keto Trail mix is packed with flavour, texture, and can be prepared days in advance.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So first, we're going to make our crispy cheddar scraps. So onto a baking tray lined with baking paper, spread over grated cheddar cheese. Now, if I just put this straight into the oven, it would melt and sort of get crispy, but not crispy enough. So the trick here is to cover it with a cloth and leave it for an hour or so in a hot, dry area. This takes out the moisture and slightly dehydrates the cheese, making it more flavourful and more crunchy when we bake it. Place it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Leave to cool on the tray before crushing it into pieces. At the same time, you want to place the nuts and seeds into the oven. So into a bowl, add the macadamia nuts, almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds. Then sprinkle over ground cumin and season with white pepper and salt. Mix everything together well and then pour over extra virgin olive oil. Again, mix everything together well, get everything coated in that oil and pour over the baking tray lined with baking paper and spread out evenly. Place the tray into the same oven temperature for 10 to 15 minutes, turning every few minutes until roasted and golden. When it's done, leave the seeds and nuts to cool completely. The cheese is now cooled and I've broken it up, and you can see it's puffed up and popped out a little bit when the hot air in the oven hits it. Spread it over the roasted nuts and seeds and mix well until combined. And there you have a wonderful snack mix that you can take everywhere with you, and one that will keep for up to a week in an airtight container. You can grab all the ingredients, measurements, and nutritional info in the video description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for another recipe.